There is a huge AI infrastructure announcement grabbing global attention, and it is backed by an investment that's absolutely impossible to ignore. And if you love staying updated on the world's biggest tech moves like such, remember to like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's get right into it. AMD and Anthropic have announced a strategic partnership. Anthropic will deploy up to 2 gigawatts of AMD's Instinct M1450 series GPUs running in AMD's Helios rack scale systems. Now, in return, AMD has committed to an equity investment of up to $5 billion in Anthropic. This deal fits into a wider pattern. Anthropic's primary cloud provider remains Amazon Web Services. It also has infrastructure agreements with Google Cloud. Now, in recent months, the company has signed additional compute deals with SpaceX and Broadcom, among other partners. This happened as demand for Claude has grown. The first gigawatt of this deployment is scheduled to begin in the first half of 2027. This builds on an existing relationship where Anthropic already runs AMD's Instinct M1355X GPUs. So this deal is more of an expansion than a first step. Specifically, Anthropic will deploy AMD Helios systems aimed at supporting training and inference for Anthropic's Claude family of models. Now, beyond the hardware, the two companies are launching a multi-year engineering collaboration focused on software optimization. Anthropic, in fact, will use Claude itself to help optimize workloads for AMD's Instinct GPUs and speed up development of AMD's ROCm software stack. AMD, in return, will adopt Claude across its own engineering and product development teams. AMD's chair and CEO Lisa Su said that the collaboration brings together Anthropic's leadership in frontier AI with the full strength of AMD's high-performance computing. She feels together the companies will work to establish Helios as a major platform for the next generation of AI infrastructure. Anthropic's co-founder and chief compute officer Tom Brown framed it around capacity. He stated that compute, in fact, remains central to Anthropic's ability to train and serve Claude, and partnering with AMD across the stack secures that capacity while optimizing it for Claude specifically. Now, Brown also pointed to the value of running across a diversified range of hardware, so different workloads can be mapped according to hardware. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's the front page take on it. For AMD, this is one of its largest AI infrastructure deployments to date, and a direct move to strengthen its position against Nvidia in the AI accelerator market. For Anthropic, the deal is really about diversification. So here's the question. As AI labs increasingly spread their compute bets across multiple chip makers, does that diversification end up being the safer long-term strategy, or does it just multiply the operational complexity of running frontier AI at scale? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.